Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Is Sisi here or Wambo? Today guys, I'm going to take you through how I make a bone soup at home. So here I have some bones, not too much. These are bone soup, and what you need is you need also ginger, garlic, and you need these are leeks. We call them leeks. And then I need the normal spring onions. So guys, I'll show you how I make it. First, what you have to do, you have to take your bones and then you need to clean them. So I remove my bones here. And I will be able to clean them. And then I'll add water. So remember guys, I'm making a bone soup. So in order to make your bone soup to be tasty, you just need to add garlic. That's what I do. So I'll peel garlic. I'll peel, this is ginger. And then I'll be able to peel my garlic. You don't need too much. Just to give the taste when the soup boils. So I'll clean. So where I bought my bone soup, I bought my bone soup at City Market. Very affordable. Per kg they selling 120. That is 1 kg. So 2 kg is 240. So this is my garlic. I'll just dip it there. And this is my ginger. Ginger, I can be able to cut it like big ones like that. And then now I'll prepare my onions. So this is my spring onions. So guys, don't confuse spring onions and this one we call them leeks. So I'll peel all of them. So for the leeks, you have to be very, very careful because as you can see inside, it's dirty. It's very, very dirty. It has soil. So you need to be careful and clean it well. So after I have done with that, I need to clean. So you need to check because the leeks have too much soil inside. So my leeks are clean now. And my spring onions. So guys, I'll cut my spring onions. I hope you can be able to see me. Let me bring a bit here. So I'll cut my onions. I'll cut to small pieces. So I'll put my onion in the water. I'll add in the water. And these are leeks. So how you need to cut the leeks, you can either cut at the middle. This is how they look like. And so I'll be able to cut also to small pieces or big pieces if you want. I love putting leeks because they make my soup tasty. So you can have your own taste. So I don't know what you like, but this is how I make my soup. And so this is how it looks like. And so I will add in my pot. And now I'll be able to put my pot in the or on the fire. And so guys, I'll be able to light on my gas. And I will put my soup. And I'll be able to add salt. Make sure you add salt. To give it a taste. So guys, this is how my soup looks like. So I'll leave it to boil. If you have also a cereal, you can be able to cut and add inside your soup. So later, when the soup is almost done, I'll be able to add a carrot if you want, and you can also add a cabbage if you want. So this is how it looks like. So the top leaves are the leeks and the spring onions, and the bones are down here. So guys, I'll be able to show you my results when the soup is done, and I will be able to show you. So guys, my soup is ready now. As you can see, it's look yummy, 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 yummy. So after 2 to 3 hours, the soup is ready. Now you cannot be able to see the, you remember the leeks and the onions, they are cooked. You can be able to see like we have green things in the soup, and now the soup is ready to drink. So this is what I was telling you guys. When the soup is ready, I normally add a whole carrot. So I'll dip my carrot there. If you have also like white onion, you can be able to wash it, remove the skin, and cut into half and drop it there. So now I'll wait like for 10 minutes, and then my soup will be ready to eat with bread. I'll show you how I'll take it. Guys, can someone tell me what is the name of these leaves? I want to know what is the name of this leaf, please. So guys, my soup is ready. It's ready, and it's so hot. As you can see, it's very hot. So I have a cup here, and I'll be able to put soup. Yeah, so this is my soup, guys. So this is my soup, and I'll be able to eat with this bread. It's grain bread. Actually, Quick Mart, they have the best sunflower bread. It's multi-grain. I call it sunflower seeds bread, and it's only 140. They have the best bread ever, and fresh always. So I will take it, guys. And then I'll be able to apply margarine. I love when I apply margarine, and then I'll be able to take with my soup. The bread is so fresh. So since the soup is so hot, guys, I'll be able to dip my bread and wow, 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 wow. The soup is tasty. The soup is really, really tasty. It's hot. The soup is really, really nice. So guys, I want to tell you, try this recipe at home. Instead of buying soup, you can be able to make soup for yourself. And this is how I do it. I take it early in the morning with my bread. You can take it also at lunchtime after your lunch, and also you can take it after your dinner before you go to sleep. And it is very, very good for your body and our body.